If you already have a screen in your car, this is the kind of upgrade that makes it feel so much smarter. I connected this one in my BMW, and it instantly gave the whole display a more advanced, more useful feel. Navigation, apps, media, and extra features all in one place, without replacing the original screen. Let's take a look at what's included in the box. Here we have the main unit. The design looks very sleek and modern. It's also nicely compact, which makes it really convenient for this kind of setup in the car. Here I have the cables, adapters, and the instruction manual included for setup, so you have what you need to get it connected. At this point, everything is unpacked and ready, so you can see exactly what comes with it before getting started. After that, the adapter plugs into the car system and connects the box to the screen. Once it's connected, the device powers on and starts working through the car display. Phone pairing is also part of the setup, so it can connect wirelessly and work directly from the screen. After it connects, you can open navigation, media, and other apps much more easily on the display. Split screen is another really nice feature here, because you can keep navigation visible while using other functions at the same time. Voice assistant support also adds more convenience, especially when you want quicker control while keeping everything simple. Another useful part is the internet access option, whether through Wi-Fi, hotspot, or SIM card support depending on how you want to use it. It also gives you more freedom for app use and installation, which makes the screen feel much more capable than a basic standard setup. The kids were definitely the most excited about this, especially being able to watch their favorite cartoons on the screen. It also lets you use more features without replacing the original screen in the car, and once everything is connected, the system is ready to use for everyday driving.